hello folks. So in this video, I want to talk about, as you can see here, this cart. What I'm going to be talking about is, so last year I had mentioned I wasn't sure what's going on with these carts. There was issues with the carts not breaking down. They were breaking down. There's damage to the carts. You can see this one does still look like the one that I had shown you in a previous video last year. This last year. This is the one I believe that was the most damaged. Now, it looks like they did do some fixing because in the last couple months, that group that I'm in for Valentin, let's just simply put, there was some pretty nasty things going on, and some people were blocked out of this group because of their nasty stuff, that they were causing nasty problems for this resort. Now, the resort's not perfect by any means. Let's make that straight. This resort has many resorts in Cuba, and I might do a video down the road about that kind of stuff, but Cuba has a lot of problems, right? And unfortunately, there's a lot of problems that go along with it that spiral. So anyway, sorry, let me show you this. One of the things is getting stuff into Cuba that take a lot of time. Now this one, look at this thing. This is beautiful, actually. I think this looks like some of the seats have been redone a little bit. Maybe that's, I'm not sure. Again, watch my head because the last time I hit my head. Yeah, so I think this might have been reupholstered potentially. I don't know. It does look like the front seats have been upholstered because they look brown, almost new. Look at it. It looks nice and blue. Whereas, well, he sits there a lot, so it probably causes dirt when you're sitting a lot for. And this back one is a little bit dirty. Probably looks like a little bit of debris from nature. What's this? Oh, that's poop. That looks like dog poop or bird poop. Anyway, so I'm going to finish this up, but I mentioned one thing in reviews that I do on my YouTube video channel, or my YouTube channel, about them requiring to hopefully get new carts. And when I said that, I know for a fact that, and in fact, I now do know, should I say, let me change that wording a little. I do know now for a fact that it takes them sometimes a very long time to get parts or certain items they order. For example, seats for the pool, like pool seats. It takes them 2 years to get sometimes, well, not everything that I know of, but pool seats took them 2 years to get. You know what? Let me go like this, silly me. It took them 2 years to get brand new seats for the pool, like this seating for pool area. It took them 2 years, and I know for a fact because I talked to concierge in the Elegance, where she told me that. She ordered them 2 years ago, or management ordered. So I can now understand why maybe it's taken them so long to replace the carts. If they are replacing it, maybe in the meantime they were fixing things. Because I know last year I mentioned that there was broken down carts. I know my first night, the guy actually just walked me to the room because of the fact that the vehicle he was driving, basically the battery died because he used it all day. Now, the other vehicle just doesn't work. Again, it could be a part thing that they're waiting for parts, or maybe a replacement. I don't know that part offhand. But I do know now that it takes sometimes 2 years plus when they order stuff. So, again, in a future video, when I actually do it, when I do it, I don't know, I will be talking a little bit more about the situation with Cuba and why things are so bad, specifically on a resort and supplies and that. I'll get more details obviously in the future. I just don't have the situation ready to talk about. So anyway, enough said. I just wanted to show you those two carts. One does work. I think, as Yoel, one of the drivers, said, the other one didn't work, and he walked me to my friggin' room because the other one was basically dead from using it all day. So anyway, that said, that was just one other thing I wanted to mention. And yeah, thank you very much. We will talk to you in the next video.